No matter how difficult the business choice is, you can still do it in a human way. Humanity doesn't have to be swiped out when your ID card is swiped in to go into the office.
Her style of speaking and her integrity is so beautiful. Her light just shines so beautifully.
And a good leader will make sure their entire team is empowered to knock some sense into you. Why? Because they are your eyes and ears. When you are trying to do something, your team is doing something, and they are making you better than you can be all by yourself.
She's an amazing woman. She motivates people beautifully and never raises her voice. I think that's terrific. A lot of motivational speakers shout. She gets her message across in a soft voice, and it's an inspiring message.
Knowing that I can't be silent, I have to do the right thing, because my stakeholder community is depending on it. My customers are depending on it, my investors are depending on it, my family is depending on it, my society is depending on it, and my entire supply chain is depending on it.
There's a bigger world out there, there are issues, and to think about those issues within the context of my organization, in fact my industry, where we might be able to make a difference in a lot of other ways besides economic.
Then we end up inspiring others to find their inner strength. And that's when we become leaders. Only when we inspire others and help them make their journey to reach their full potential do they become willingly our followers, and thereby we get the privilege every day of being a leader.